Okay, I use the custom scaling system. We can see fonts are slightly bigger. And open a file location. I also have to check if this is running. Okay, hopefully this helps, because you have to go to display settings. I don't see any problems with font, but I will open up my project. I think everything seems to be visible, and the interface of application is slightly bigger. Fonts, they seem to be okay. Please let me know in comment section if fonts are visible or not, because I done some modifications. I hope you like this video tutorial, but I still consider it to be not as good as in Blender, because in Blender 4.2, when you open Blender, you can go to settings to change the resolution of the interface. You have slider, resolution scale. I wish Modo had the same option like Blender, but unfortunately this application doesn't have the same settings. See you, bye.